Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The winner of the 2018 Island Energy Miss Universe competition is Miss Heavens Fesco, 19-year-old Emily Madison. The event, held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel last Friday night, was an intense night of stiff competition which saw 24 beautiful ladies vying for the crown. Artist Wayne Marshall provided entertainment as he performed some of his older hits, climaxing with a 2018 hit, Glory to God. Though all the ladies demonstrated grace and poise, it was no surprise when Emily was awarded the prestigious crown, as she had already won 4 sectional prizes, including Best in Swimwear, Best in Evening Gown, and Miss Photogenic. Emily Madison also won the crowd's approval in the interview section when she expressed that her inexperience is her best quality.
Well, I am 19. I am inexperienced. However, I use that fact to change how I look at the world.
Khadijah Anderson, who placed second, was awarded the Miss Grand Jamaica crown, whilst Kayla Smith, who placed third, takes over the reins as Miss Intercontinental Jamaica. Miss Jamaica Universe 2018, Emily Madison, is set to represent Jamaica in the Global Miss Universe pageant slated for Bangkok, Thailand in December. Now in its 13th year, CB Foods continues its annual cooking contest to crown the island's top pan chicken man or woman. Pan 2018 Region 1 competition got off to a fiery start in Folly Oval, Portland over the weekend. 33 pan chicken vendors brought the heat as they showcased their culinary skills with the hopes of advancing to the grand final. Entertainment from artists Beanie Man, Governor D. Burns, and gospel singer Minister Kevin Downswell. The event also featured a Monster Milk Kiddies Village, which includes children's rides, Bounce a Bound, and other games. Business Development Coordinator at CB Foods, Kemoy Burke, outlined the details of the Region 1 competition.
Well, for this region, it's a Regional 1. We have 35 competitors from 7 parishes across the island. That's Trelawney, St. Mary, St. Anne, St. Thomas, Portland, Kingston and St. Andrew, and St. Catherine. And we're going to take 2 winners from each parish. They go to the finals, where they square off with the winners and runner-ups from the other parishes for the Grand Championship.
He noted that seeing the turnout of the pan vendors was a highlight of the proceedings.
Well, of course, it's always the pan vendors. Pan is really about them, and to see them travel across the island just to come here to vie for a chance or an opportunity to be crowned pan champion is always heartwarming.
Pan 2018 is a culinary extravaganza which highlights the efforts and economic impact of the numerous pan men and women across the island. Now to news overseas. DJ Cranium and his Frequent Flyers sound system were named winners of the 2018 Red Bull Culture Clash at 787 Winds in Atlanta, Georgia over the weekend. The Frequent Flyers raised the momentum by bringing on special guest dancehall artist Movado, whose appearance elicited screams and cheers from the audience. In addition to Movado, Frequent Flyers set included performances by Gaza Slim and Massacre. Started in 2010, Red Bull Culture Clash is billed as the world's biggest musical battle. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.